Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset power windows. You are here watching because the car battery was disconnected or power windows was never positioned when you got the car. As you can see, window isn't lifting automatically. To set this option, you have to lift the window all the way down and hold the button after it's rolled down for 10 seconds. Then lift it all the way up and hold the button for 10 seconds after it's rolled all the way up. And you should be done. Power windows are set. This applies to W210 and W202 chassis. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video will be useful for someone. So please like this video and subscribe.